We got a lot of snow today. We got over a foot, and it's still coming. I came out earlier and shoveled all this area here, and man, we got a lot this year. It is, man. Whoa. Man, I fell in that one. I mean, this is up to my knee almost. Mailbox. Oh. Oh, man. Good thing I got the mail. I mean, I got a lot. And, I mean, it is deep. This stuff I haven't shoveled. I mean, that is up to my... Yeah, that's up to my knee there. That's a lot. First snowstorm, actually the end of 2009 here. I think it's January 17th. All this was already shoveled, and you can see. Yeah, I cleaned the van off once, and then the cars got a lot on there. That's my well. That's got how much snow it's got on that. It's nuts. What are you two getting into? You guys really know how to destroy a house. So I just wanted to take a video out back here. I already shoveled this area. Can't even tell. But man, it is coming down. So anyway, the pond's actually doing pretty good. I got a water trough heater in there, so it'll keep it nice and, well, keep it from freezing. It's probably still cold. But yeah, I got snow drift all up on that. And those are my pond lights. Look kind of crazy. Yeah, we definitely got some snow today. Great day to stay inside, drink coffee, watch football if it's on. Probably should clean that off too. at least get some of the smell off. Ugh. There we go. This is definitely a nice storm. Should I see a fish in there? Yeah, there's one.